Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick unboxing and walkthrough of the nanoleaf a19 E26 smart bulb. It has 16 million colors, works with Apple HomeKit and Google Home. It's thread enabled, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. It has 806 lumens, 1% to 100% dimming, and 25,000 hour lifespan. So first what we want to do is pull the tab out from under the bottom, lift up. Oh, this is cool. It's like a yellow, orange, red ombre pattern. And at the top it says the essentials are just the beginning. Then we open up the top again, and all that's in there is the light bulb instruction manual and your HomeKit QR code, and then your light bulb. So next, we're gonna put them in my Vanity. All right, first you wanna make sure whatever fixture you're putting the bulb into is shut completely off. And then you can go ahead, God damn, that's hot. You can go ahead and screw off the regular light bulb. And what you wanna do is grab the nanoleaf bulb, screw it in there like any average bulb, then go on ahead and the home app and click add accessory, get the QR code, scan it, hit add to home, pick the light location, then give it a name. Now if you're like me and you were doing multiple bulbs on one fixture, one thing you can do is hold on to one of those bulbs that you just installed, click settings, and then group with other accessories. Give it its group name. Select all the light bulbs that are a part of that fixture. Hit done. And now you can control all of them at the same time. All right, and another cool thing you can do is actually control it through your HomePod and Apple TV 4K because they're thread enabled as well. Make my bathroom lights purple.
Okay, purple.
And as you can see, because of thread and those being thread enabled devices, the response time is almost immediately. And there you have it. All right, so now that you got your nanoleaf HomeKit light bulb set up, you should be all set. Make sure you drop a like, comment, let me know if there's anything else you want to see, and thanks for watching.